We're doing our planning for 2023, and people who I talked with this morning were talking about like what trying to plan for 2023 and all these words like just trying to bounce back, or people feeling like uninspired, or like what should I do next? I'm a plateau, or classes are dropping, and do I keep trying to do the same thing? Do I move on to something new? Welcome to the Yoga Trainer Fast Track.
We help experienced yoga teachers become trainers in their very own yoga teacher training school.
If you wish it was easier to have your own training,
like and subscribe to get free resources. Let's get started. I was just thinking, yoga has sustained itself for thousands and thousands of years as a philosophy and as a practice. It's jumped continents, it's survived moving online, and now it just seems that everybody we talk to is having a hard time filling their classes.
We have our yoga teacher training going right now with our 6 students, and that is like the highlight of our lives right now because
it's so fun.
Consistent. It's consistent, and it's predictable, and it's nice seeing people learning something new, and it's kind of nice like jumping on that passion that they're bringing to the training.
And if you are thinking about offering a yoga teacher training, we would love to hear about your goals. We would love to hear about your obstacles, because our work is trying to help people open their own school and lead a teacher training. That's what we're really good at. That's what we're really passionate about. That's what we are dedicated ourselves and our time to. And so we definitely want to help, but the model has changed. And I think that all yoga teachers are willing to put the work in. And the work is important regardless of the response to the work. We learn that in yoga. But, if we're going to dedicate ourselves and put time into an offering, us or you as a yoga teacher, it needs to be something that's sustainable. So energetically, there needs to be some reimbursement, and then financially as well. So, where we can bring value to your teacher training program is navigating that Yoga Alliance system. We have learned it inside out and backwards. It has changed. We have rewritten our program several times to keep up with the standards. We have an account manager now. I feel like we could really bring value to anybody looking to create a Yoga Alliance registered yoga school.
I'm hoping someone who's watching will leave a comment and tell us what you're thinking about. Where are you at in your business? Like, is it plateauing? Are you feeling inspired every day? Are you feeling uninspired every day? And what's happening in your yoga classes? Like, as a teacher, as an experienced yoga teacher, what are you seeing in your classes? And what's your kind of gut telling you? Because I feel like more than ever, we need to turn inward and find the guru within us.